Hello, fellow makers, and welcome back to... Is this too much? Yeah, it's too much. Ah, that's better. Welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. It's Spooky Month. And as you know, with Spooky Month, everyone goes out and buys cheap plastic lanterns that light up and you can put in your windows. Because the modern kids don't want to carve pumpkins and they don't have real candles in their houses to burn them down. But these things are expensive, and surely if you've got a 3D printer, you can make your own. And you can! So I went online on all the usual sites and I found some really cool 3D prints for 3D printed lanterns that need nothing but a battery powered tea light. So you can leave those burning without turning your house to a Halloween bonfire. So, thanks to all these fantastic makers here, you guys made some great files and I'm looking forward to printing them. Before I do, however, thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed. Welcome to new subscribers. Hello to long-term subscribers, and hello at the back to all my very long-term subscribers. And welcome to the Halloween parade, which is 3D printed soup. No creepy cams allowed, because just no. So, let's get on and print ourselves some fantastic 3D printed lanterns to brighten up our Halloween. Let's give this a try.